Done for you mobile apps, the turnkey alternative to no-code. 48% of small business owners already have an app. If you're part of the other 52%, your business probably needs one. But you're too busy to think about spending months or even years and hundreds of thousands of dollars to develop a bespoke app for your business. So you've started researching low-code and no-code apps, and for good reason. These options provide businesses with a quick way to get an app to market. But they aren't right for every use case. Let's explore. Low-code mobile apps explained. As the name implies, low-code development enables tech-literate businesses to design their own apps by editing blocks of prefabricated code. But what if you don't have the in-house know-how to create a low-code app? Well, that's where no-code development comes in. No-code mobile apps explained. With no-code apps, you don't need to have any coding knowledge. Instead, this development process relies on your team to do the development using a drag and drop elements to create the design and functionality you desire. But that no-code comes at a price, often requiring you to sacrifice customization for convenience. And frankly, both low-code and no-code options still require you to put time and effort into designing and maintaining your app. Most businesses are not experienced in mapping existing workflows to app features in a way that will create the best in-app user experience. Luckily, there's a third option. Done for you turnkey mobile apps. No coding, no dev team, definitely no DIY. Turnkey mobile apps integrate the best of both worlds, combining the quick time to market of the no-code mobile apps with the customizability of low-code, but with an added bonus. It's all done for you. That's right, no coding, no dev team, and definitely no DIY. At enCappture, we get it. You're not a tech company, you're a busy business person. You don't have the time or the resources to create a mobile app entirely from scratch. But you do need a mobile app to run your business, boost engagement, and stay connected with your audience. That's why our team of seasoned mobile professionals work directly with you to create the mobile app of your dreams, using our pre-existing library of fully customizable features. With enCappture's approach, your done-for-you mobile app can be ready in less than 3 weeks live in app stores. And we'll be there for you even after you launch. Whether you want to add a new feature, you need help with app store optimization, or just want someone to update your content regularly, we've got you covered with your designated mobile coach. It's their job to make sure your custom mobile app is a success, fast, stress-free, and for a surprisingly affordable price. Learn more about the new innovative and inexpensive way to get a turnkey mobile app live in app stores in less than 3 weeks. Book a live demo at enCappture.com.